Audio Jungle.
If you've ever watched other people playing golf and thought, I'd love to give that a go, but you're lacking confidence or you just think, I won't be able to do it, then this is the place that could change everything for you. Come to Verdura Resort and Tom will sort you out. So the key with golf is putting, which is why Tom starts off with putting. Get everybody confident, see how hard they need to hit the ball and what the shape and the feel of the stroke is. But the main thing he emphasises is you've got to keep having fun. Smile, laugh about it, do silly little tricks to help you. It's absolutely perfect.